Is your life full of dull, boring chores you'd rather not do? Are there people you'd rather avoid? I'm going to show you how to make excuses like an absolute pro using just 5 conjunctions.
English lessons.
Tim and Yaz want me to go round to their place for dinner tonight, and they want to do karaoke. I don't have the energy for this. But anyway, I can't go unless I finish my work. Yay! So I can go to Tim's house. Great. I can't go until the neighbours get back. There are some suspicious people lurking outside their house. Oh, great. It wasn't burglars. How fortunate. Well, looks like I'm going to Tim and Yaz. No. This documentary is very educational. I can't go before it finishes. Oh, that's just great. So I guess I have to go to Tim and Yaz. Oh, no. I can't go in case my package gets delivered. If I'm not here, they'll deliver it to the neighbours and they'll accidentally open it. You can't be serious, but Tim and Yaz it is? But no. Look at the time. The football has just finished. I can't go out while all the fans are leaving the game. The traffic will be awful. Oh my days. You know what? No, I'm not going. Even though I have literally nothing else to do. I can't go because I don't like karaoke, and I can't go because I don't like Tim or Yaz. Hi Tim, hi Yaz. I'm so sorry. I'm so tired. I can't do anything until I've slept, and when I wake up, it'll be too late. So maybe you noticed that all of these excuses have the same basic structure. I can't go, plus the conjunction, plus the excuse. The conjunction joins together the parts of the sentence and changes their relationship, so it changes the meaning of the sentence. First, I said, I can't go unless I finish my work. I can go if I finish my work, unless is the conjunction. Then I said, I can't go until the neighbours get back. I can go when the neighbours have returned. And then I said, I can't go before the documentary finishes. The conjunction is before. We could also say until, that is, I can go after the documentary finishes. Next up, I can't go out in case my package gets delivered. The conjunction here is in case. We use this conjunction when we want to take steps to prevent something happening. I don't want to go out because I don't want to miss my delivery. Next, I said, I can't go out while the fans are leaving the game. The conjunction here is while. The fans are driving home and I can't go out at the same time. Oh, hang on. Oh, you've got to be joking. They want to come round to my house tomorrow. Quick, what should I say? Help.